Hello and welcome to House and Garden Ideas USA, your daily dose of inspiration for a more beautiful and mindful life. Today, we're taking a quiet moment to wander through a garden of words. We've gathered 3 beautiful quotes that capture the essence of what gardens teach us: patience, beauty, and the incredible power of growth. So, find a comfy spot, take a deep, cleansing breath, and let's allow nature's wisdom to brighten our day. Our first quote is a beautiful reminder of the quiet strength required in gardening and in life. It goes, "The glory of gardening, hands in the dirt, head in the sun, heart with nature." To nurture a garden is to feed not just the body, but the soul. This speaks so deeply to the connection we forge when we tend to the earth. It's more than just a hobby. It's a form of therapy. It's about feeling the soil between your fingers, soaking in the warmth of the sun, and synchronizing your rhythm with the natural world. Every weed pulled and every seed sown is an act of love, nurturing not just the plants, but our own inner peace. It reminds us that by caring for something outside of ourselves, we are, in turn, caring for our own spirit. It's a grounding, humbling, and incredibly rewarding experience that feeds the soul in a way nothing else can. Moving on to our second quote, which celebrates the continuous and often surprising journey of growth. A garden is a grand teacher. It teaches patience and careful watchfulness. It teaches industry and thrift. Above all, it teaches entire trust. Isn't that just perfect? Think about it. You plant a tiny seed, and for a while it seems like nothing is happening. You have to wait. You have to trust that beneath the surface, life is stirring. This process teaches us profound patience. We learn to be observant, noticing the slightest changes: a new sprout, a leaf unfurling. It encourages a gentle, consistent effort. But most importantly, it builds our faith in the process of life itself. We trust that with water, sunlight, and care, something beautiful will emerge. This lesson extends far beyond the garden beds. In our own lives, our careers, and our relationships. This quote reminds us to trust the journey, be patient with our progress, and have faith that our efforts will eventually bloom. And finally, our third quote, a simple yet powerful thought on new beginnings. To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. What a hopeful and optimistic sentiment. Every time we place a bulb in the ground or scatter a handful of seeds, we are making a statement of faith in the future. We are investing our time and energy into something that we won't see the full results of today or even this week. We are actively creating beauty for a future self to enjoy. This act is a powerful antidote to worry and uncertainty. It's a tangible way of saying, I believe there will be a tomorrow, and I want it to be beautiful. It's about creating a legacy of blooms, a future filled with color, fragrance, and life. This quote encourages us to be forward-thinking and to take small actions today that will bring joy and beauty to our lives in the days, weeks, and months to come. It's a beautiful testament to hope. So there you have it, 3 gentle reminders from the garden about patience, trust, and hope. These aren't just words. They are seeds of thought. I hope they've planted a little bit of peace and positivity in your heart today. Let these ideas take root and inspire you, whether you're in your garden, in your home, or just going about your day. But remember to find moments to connect with nature, even in the smallest ways. It always has something to teach us. Thank you so much for spending this time with us. We'd love to know which of these quotes resonated with you the most. Share your favorite in the comments below. We truly enjoy reading your thoughts. If you enjoyed this moment of reflection, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to House and Garden Ideas USA for more daily inspiration for your home, garden, and soul. Until next time, keep believing in tomorrow.